In this video, I am going to let an AI control my entire day from the moment I wake up till I go to bed. And it's not what you expect. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a very fun video because today I am gonna do a challenge where I'll follow a 24-hour schedule designed by ChatGPT. Yes, that's right. I'm gonna do stupid stuff, but let's see how the day goes. I have no clue what's gonna come, but although in the prompt I have mentioned that I have to attend court in the morning, that is from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., and in the evening I have to go to law office from 5:30 to 7:30. Apart from that, I have no clue what's going to happen. And I am not lying. I've actually asked ChatGPT to plan my entire day. Over here you can see, and let's see how it goes. For now, I'm gonna go change into comfortable clothes, go sleep early today, and I'll meet you tomorrow. Hello, good morning, and welcome to the day where I am going to follow a 24-hour schedule given by ChatGPT. And as mentioned in the ChatGPT, I am supposed to wake up at 6 and follow the workout and everything. So I did wake up at 6. I woke up at 5:59 to be precise, and उसके बाद मैंने योगा किया, workout किया, and right now it's 7:23. You can see here 7:23. So I almost did my workout for 45 minutes, I guess, from 6:30. Okay, so I have my schedule over here, and as per ChatGPT, I'm supposed to have my breakfast at 7:30, but 7:30 इतने सुबह तो कोई भी नहीं खाएगा भाई breakfast. Over here, at 7:50, we are supposed to do our pre-court preparation, and I'm thinking to prepone this now and followed by my shower and later breakfast, because that would be better option. I'm not changing any of the schedule, it's just that I'm doing time management. I'm following a good schedule. ChatGPT ने बकवास schedule दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? So yeah, we're going to do our code preparation now. Hi, so I'm back again after going through my pre-court preparations, taking a shower and having my breakfast, which was poha. And now, according to the schedule, I was actually supposed to be getting ready by 8:30, but it's already 9 and I really don't know time कहाँ चला गया है. Anyways, अभी मैं जाऊँगी. I'll go spend some time with my parents, and after that I'll go to the temple. I have just made it a routine to go to the temple before I go to court. So I'm gonna follow that, of course. And उसके बाद में from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. I'm gonna spend my time over there, do all my work. Anyways, अभी के लिए this is my schedule till 2 p.m. So yeah, I'm gonna meet you after 2 p.m. Hello मेरे मित्रों, I am back again. So here's an update. I have left from court around 1 o'clock. थोड़ा जल्दी निकल गई थी. Straight from there, I've gone to RTO office to get my driving license done. And the test went well. I've got my LLR license for now, and driving license आएगा 1 महीने के बाद. So I'm excited for that. Anyways, now ये सब काम हो चुका है and I'm very 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 sleepy. I don't know ChatGPT में क्या लिखा है, but I know कि अभी मुझे lunch करना है. So मैं जाऊँगी, I'll have some good lunch because I'm super 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 hungry और इतना सर दर्द हो रहा है. It's टू हॉट ओवर हियर. मतलब गर्मी के सीज़न अभी से ही शुरू हो चुके हैं. इट्स वेरी 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 हॉट. यू कैन सी मेरी हालत कैसी हो चुकी है. एनीवेज आई विल मीट यू आफ्टर लंच एंड लेट्स सी कि क्या करना है टिल 5:30. Okay, so I've checked and it says that at 2 p.m. I have lunch break for 1 hour. Wait, I'll show you. It says 2 p.m. lunch break. Enjoy a light and healthy lunch. And उसके बाद में at 3 p.m. over here I have a quick hobby session. भाई हॉबी सेशन क्या होता है? मेरे पास तो कोई हॉबी नहीं है. माई हॉबी इज़ टू स्लीप. दैट इज़ माई हॉबी. प्लीज़ प्लीज़ ChatGPT भाई क्यों नहीं लिखा है नींद लेने का, रिलैक्सेशन का? ओह इट सेज 3:30 को आई हैव टेक अ ब्रेक टू रिलैक्स. यू कैन लिसन टू कामिंग म्यूजिक और टेक अ शॉर्ट वॉक आउटसाइड टू रिफ्रेश एंड फिर लीव फॉर ऑफिस. सो एज सच देयर इज नथिंग रिटन except ki I have to do some quick hobby session. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sleep for a while, probably till 3:30 maybe, and after that probably we can read a book or do some sketching. That could be it. We'll see later उठने के बाद में. ओके अभी मैं जा रही हूँ सोने फाइनली. पहले तो सॉरी आई नो मैंने बोला था that I'll wake up by 3:30 but it's almost 4 because I just slept so good today. दोपहर में usually I sleep for like half an hour या 45 minutes whatever, but then आज इतनी अच्छी नींद आई थी. I swear bomb sleep ever. Anyways, now that I woke up I'll go read a book or do some sketching. Hi, so I have my bowl of fruit over here which is pomegranate, and I was thinking to do some sketching now. I have my sketching book over here and there are a few things that I've already drew. Can you see? What I really like is first is this one, Shivji ka Trishul. Next, these are just some random drawing. Next is my mandala art, this one. Cute, tiny, but still so pretty. And then this, and also this, which is related to my religion. I really loved it so much. And also this. It's very cute, peachy thing. So I love all of this. So today I'm just thinking not to draw but to sketch. ऐसे ही कुछ भी रैंडम सा. और probably mandala. Oh wait, I have a mandala ka half. Oh wow, found. See, I have this mandala ka half drew wala thing. So I'm thinking to finish it. I'll either color it या थोड़ा complete करके बस सिर्फ coloring करूँगी to just calm my mind. So that's gonna wait. This is my habit, ChatGPT. समझे? So I'm done sketching it halfway. I know बहुत ज़्यादा incomplete या unfinished लग रहा है, but no worries, we'll finish later. Anyways, अभी मुझे काम करना है बहुत सारे. I have to go get dressed. I have to do थोड़ा घर का काम, and after that the report वाला thing which I have mentioned previously, I have to finish that as well, and later I have to travel. Yeah. So these things I have to do quickly by 5:30, and it's already 4:50. So I'll just go do these things quickly, and I'll meet you later. We have finally made it on time and we are here at the law office, and yeah, this is what I'm doing now. काम करेंगे अभी. It's 7:41 right now. We are done for the day and बहुत ज़्यादा काम था आज. But anyways, it was a good day. Good work. So yeah. Hello मेरे मित्रों, कैसा काय? I am back again, and after coming back home I prepared dinner for myself, had it, and उसके बाद में I cleaned some utensils and that's it. अभी हो रहा है 8:40 and let's see कि अपने ChatGPT बाबा क्या बोलते हैं. What should I be doing now? So let's see that. Okay, so according to ChatGPT, at 8 p.m. I shall be having a family dinner for 1 hour, and family dinner तो नहीं हो पाया because My dad is at office, my mom isn't at home, but now this is my schedule for now. 8 p.m. family dinner and 8:30 family activity. एंड उसके बाद में 9 PM को लाइट एक्सरसाइज और स्ट्रेचिंग एंड देन पर्सनल रिफ्लेक्शन टाइम, वाइंड डाउन, प्रिपेयर फॉर बेड, 10 PM रीड अ बुक, 10:30 स्लीप. ठीक है, सो बाय 10:30 आई शुड बी इन बेड एंड स्लीपिंग. सो उसके पहले इट सेज दैट फैमिली डिनर, फैमिली एक्टिविटी, लाइट एक्सरसाइज या स्ट्रेचिंग. रात को भी कौन करता है भाई स्ट्रेचिंग वगैरह? प्लीज़ अभी मत पकाओ चैट जीपीटी, प्लीज़ नॉट नाउ. एंड रिफ्लेक्शन टाइम, ओके फाइन, आई डू जर्नलिंग. एंड देन 9:30 take a warm shower or bath, brush your teeth and follow your skincare routine to wind down. Okay, follow my skincare routine. That could be done. 10 PM read a book, okay, and 10:30 sleep. ठीक है, fine. What I am thinking to do now is, anyways 8:30 को अभी family activity time है, but my parents aren't at home, so what we could do is, I realize that I have little work to do, बट आई डोंट नो, पूरा टाइम वर्क ही करूँगी तो वीडियो नहीं बनेगा. वीडियो में सिर्फ मैं काम करते हुए नज़र आऊँगी. आई डोंट वांट दैट, सो आई जस्ट डू इट टुमारो अर्ली मॉर्निंग. बट अभी आई कुड कंप्लीट दैट स्केचिंग, ईदर आई कुड डू दैट या फिर आई कुड रीड अ बुक नाउ एंड लेटर व्हेन माई पेरेंट्स आर एट होम आई कुड स्पेंड माई फैमिली एक्टिविटी टाइम विद देम एट दैट टाइम. So yeah, that sounds like a plan. I'll read a book now, and रात को when my parents are at home, I will just spend my time with them. That's it. That would be done. I'll read a book. Guys, I know मुझे किसी ने पूछा नहीं है, but I just want to give you an honest review of this book, that is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. I'm genuinely so impressed by this book. It is written in a very simple yet effective language. मतलब this book would genuinely help you grow rich mentally as well as physically. So if you want to start reading या फिर just habit बनाना है, then this is the book that you could just blindly buy. Time for skincare. Skincare करने पर भी कोई फ़ायदा होता नहीं है, but just for that satisfaction करना पड़ता है. And the bestest step of all is this. Feels like heaven. Now we're gonna do skincare. I'm gonna go wash my face and come. It really feels so good to wash my face and remove all the dirt. Okay, so for night care or skincare routine, I don't have anything as such. It's just that I follow like few steps. That is toner, फिर serum, and then retinol cream and moisturizer. That's it. And of course, like lip के लिए Vaseline always. Yeah, that's it. These are the 4 things that I'm gonna apply now. Okay, so before I forget to tell you guys, the part where I was supposed to spend time with my family, which of course automatically हो जाता है. ChatGPT doesn't have to tell me that thing. But anyways, my parents weren't there at that time at home, so I couldn't spend at that particular time उनके साथ. But now they have come, and अभी तक तो मैं उनके साथ ही थी. After doing my journaling, I was with them and I just came to my room now. Okay, so that's it for the video, you all. I really enjoyed making this video because there were few things that I did for the first time, and like waking up in the morning and doing the workout and everything. So that was like new, and I probably would start waking up early from tomorrow. Not 6, but probably by 6:30 or 7 tak max. So I'm gonna make that a habit as well. And yeah, it was fun to shoot this ChatGPT वाला thing, and I think कि मैंने सब कुछ cover कर लिया है, because now it's almost time for me to sleep. It's already 10:25, so now we'll go and sleep. Best part of the day. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Bye.